April 11th, 2012, 9:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, Central California, northern part of Cam. I don't know where all these trails are coming from. I didn't even see this dude. Didn't even see him. I must be getting blind in my old age or something. But storm just went over. It was pouring ass. But you can see there's a lot of raindrops on my trees. It rained. It was heavy for a while. Anyway, we're right back to it. Tells me they're dumping on top of it the whole time. Kind of like cam. There's the other end of the storm headed southeast. Here he has trails up at the top here. Someone's gonna yell at me, but after you take a look at it, you can see the difference of the real clouds in the camera right there, big time. White, nice real clouds next to it, right here. Just on the camera right there. More right here. Look like clouds to you people. All the crap out of here. That's good. Too bad they put some more in it. We'll have to see what comes up. Well, I keep hearing the planes. Can't find them anywhere. I heard them going over. But I sure as hell didn't see them. There it is. And I hear him again. I don't see a plane anywhere. You guys hear it? I don't know if you can hear it. Oh, that shouldn't be there. I don't know where the hell this plane is. Well, there's a San Jose flight. It's definitely not the same plane. See, it's only about 22,000 feet right there. Looks like it's going through some of the camera. Yep, it's pretty low. Obviously that was just laid there. I don't know where the plane went, they did it. Obviously it was just here. And I hear them and hear them and hear them. And you look right here like this. I don't know where these planes are, guys. I can't find them. This morning. Sure as fuck see the trails though. I mean, that just got laid. It came from over there. Where you can see it's very interesting. Yep. I hear him again. Let's just cover this part, not worried about over there. tripping. Oh, right here, look. I don't know if I go that way, but... And look, you just stop right here. Look at this thing that comes over. You see what I'm talking about? Goes to right there and stops. Then I hear strange plane noises, but I can't see a plane. Little short lines. I don't get it. Oh, here we go. Final call. Jesus, that took a while. Where is he? Ah, candy camera, bitch. Sorry for the cussing, people. He's gotta be turning around. And red laying little stripes in here, guys. There's no way. You can see the side of the storm. If you look up, looking outside now.